Today I'm gonna teach you question number 9, exercise 2.5 differentiation. Find dy by dx when x is equal to this time and y is equal to this time. It means basically we want to find dy by dx. It means derivative of y with respect to x. So this is our question, and x is equal to this term. In the right side we can see that variable is t, so we'll differentiate with respect to t. Differentiate with respect to t. dx by dt is equal to a is constant, so d by dt is applied on cos t plus sin t. A derivative of cos t. Cos t derivative is minus sin t. Plus derivative of sin t is simple cos t. Minus a, so a minus sin t, so cos t is positive, so we'll write it first and minus sin t. This is dx by dt. Now differentiate again. Variable is t, so differentiate with respect to t. dy by dt. A is constant, so we will apply differentiation on sin t minus t cos t. So a derivative of sin t is cos t minus a, this is first and this is second term. It means there are two variables, cos t and simple t, u into v, so we apply u in product rule. According to product rule, u derivative of v, u is t, derivative of v is cos t, plus u derivative of v plus v derivative of u is equal to a cos t minus a t. Derivative of cos t is minus sin t, plus cos t as it is, and derivative of t with respect to t is 1. So a cos t minus into minus plus a t sin t minus plus minus a cos t into 1 cos t. Positive cos t minus negative cancel, what is left? A t sin t. And what we want to find dy by dx, so we apply chain rule by using chain rule. And what does chain rule say? dy by dx is equal to dy by dt dot dt by dx. Repeating value dy by dt. So dy by dt is at sin t dot, this is dx by dt, so we will reciprocate this, so dt 1 by a into cos t minus sin t. So a and a cancel each other, what is left? T dy by dx is equal to t sin t divided by cos t minus minus sin t. dy by dx is equal to t sin t divided by cos t minus sin t. This is a required solution.